supposed to rain tonight. It's already raining in Hollywood. So I went over to the library, got me the Odyssey by Homer, CD's book to listen to. Got my pack all packed up, umbrella, and headed up to the mountains. Do hammocking tonight. 1:28, but I gotta stop by Molly's house. Going off way over there tonight. Hope I make it before dark. As you can see, storm on the back side of the hills. Hopefully I can find some trees back there. Otherwise I'm going to backtrack before it gets dark. I can't find two trees of good size close enough. They're all real skinny new trees and they're all really close. Go back upriver. Okay, here's what I got going. Trangia with my Army cook stove, the one I showed you guys. I got a video on it. I stopped on the way at the grocery store and I got this clam chowder. Now, Trangia in there. I'll be able to cook that right in the can. I've come down here to the river to get some water. I don't want to waste all my purified water. I got something I'm going to cook, but I need some water. When you guys see this, you're going to have a good laugh. There's the river. That light up there is my camp. Okay, Army cook set, New England clam chowder ready to go. But here's something you don't see all the time. An Australian lobster tail. That's the first, huh? Australian lobster tail cooked in a Army cook set. So I'm gonna have this soup. By that time that'll be done. Hammocking and a lobster tail. I think it's done. Save that fuel for breakfast. Okay, look at that. First time lobster's ever been on Sea to Summit plate. This is the way to backpack. Tastes like a large crawdad. Good stuff, man. The earth is enough. It's a good book. A friend of mine named Linda. She went with myself and my nephew Robert fly fishing. One of my videos. She gave me this a while back. I read a third of it, misplaced it, recently found it. I'm going to finish it tonight. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, just listen. The rain has started. It rained all night. I'm pretty well protected by these pines, but you can see the outline. right there of the water coming off this tarp. See that? I set it up with a sag in the tarp right here a little bit, and it gathered some rain, filled the bowl. See, when it comes off the tarp, comes right down that bowl. This one I got on the river. Now look at this. I set up right under a break in the trees here on this side, so the rain could hit here, gather down here, come along, catch this catch, drop off right into that bowl. So I got myself some water that way. Not that I need it though. I mean, the river's right there. But with the river, I either have to filter, use tablets, or boil, which I will this. I'm gonna make some coffee. But this here is drinkable right out of the bowl. Let me show you something a friend of mine from back east made me. He sent it to me a long time ago. I've used it a few times, but I realized I never showed it on video. Look at this. It's pretty cool. It's made to be used with the trekking pole, but I didn't bring trekking poles last night. I forgot them. Piece of plexiglass. You got different knots here. 3 different knots. Got a thing here. Stretchy cord that goes around the tree. Comes in. Adjustable knots. You can always make more. Got all these holes here to make it lighter. Also, if anything spills on it, it'll go straight through. Held up with one pole. You can stand up, stretch your legs, have your breakfast. You guys got some great videos. He hikes along the Appalachian Trail. He does a lot of hikes alone, same as I do. He does some with his brother. I think there's a few with his son. Yeah, there's some with his son and a couple of friends. For the most part, he does them alone. The hammock, I believe he's got a blackbird hammock though. Black Hawk, whatever they're called. Black something. Hennessy. He's got a lot of cool videos with a lot of cool tips. Tries out meals. Tries out new things. Shows places you can go. His videos are really similar to mine. He's a great guy, so check out his channel. Pretty neat. I'll put his name scrolling across right here. Thanks a lot, man. You just fill up to a certain line and then shake. Make myself some pancakes. Check this out. Got about 10 little smokies. They're pre-cooked sausages. You just heat them up. They're awesome. Used to have these as a kid. My coffee. My pancakes. The butter's melting. Made me 4 good-sized pancakes. Man, you guys could taste this stuff. Got the rain, smell of the rain, smell of the pine, noise of the river. Cheers, guys. But look what I came across. Too bad it wasn't the real thing. It would have been cool to see the real thing. But instead, I just saw this. Now that would have been a video. That thing would have went viral. Yeah, I got a couple eager beavers laying out down there. Here's a look at the hammock. Without the, look at, see the wet? Totally dry. Not a drop of moisture. So with this here, it comes down. As long as you leave a cord hanging, the water will just drip straight down the cord or straight down the strap. Nothing. It's totally dry here. Inside I have a heat sheet, worked perfect. This is the 850, I believe. Yeah, it's the 850 loft. And my bag I already put away. My bag 900 loft. Super light, super warm. But at about 10 bucks, 10 degrees, $1 a degree. It weighs nothing. You all know what these weigh. This one's the Adventure Medical Kit. I don't know, but I've had this thing almost 3 years, and there's still not a hole in it. And I've slept just with this on the Tyvek, wrapped up just in this. And this stuff's tough. Here's the footprint. About maybe 6 by 7, 6 by 8. It's enough anyway. Anyway, I'm on my way out.